seen this before. Too many times. Of course the bird didn't make it. He was decapitated. This looks like the work of one bad kitty.
Just in time to check the charts to see what's memeing right now.
No surprise, Subway Sloth is still fire. Who let the sloth in the subway and what's he thinking about?
Oh, looks like the train has left the station on that one. Do not share. It's meme over for Subway Sloth. Binty, what's coming up next?
Oh wow, here's one everyone can get into. Soup pants.